The Kawasaki Vulcan S is a cruiser that has captured the attention of riders worldwide. With its unique blend of modern technology, comfort, and styling, the Vulcan S offers an exceptional riding experience for both beginners and experienced motorcyclists. In today's video, we'll take a close look at why the Kawasaki Vulcan S is a standout in the cruiser market. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Kawasaki Vulcan S lies a 649 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine that's known for its smooth power delivery and solid performance. Producing around 61 horsepower, it strikes the perfect balance between power and comfort, making it an ideal choice for both city riding and longer highway cruises. The engine's low-end torque ensures a satisfying riding experience, whether you're accelerating or cruising at speed. Customizable ergonomics. One of the most unique features of the Kawasaki Vulcan S is its ErgoFit system. This system allows riders to adjust the bike's ergonomics to fit their specific body size and riding preferences. Whether you're taller or shorter, the Vulcan S offers different seat options, handlebar placements, and foot peg adjustments to ensure a comfortable and personalized fit. This customization is a big reason why the Vulcan S stands out as an accessible cruiser for a wide range of riders. Handling and comfort. Despite its cruiser design, the Kawasaki Vulcan S offers impressive handling, especially for a bike of its class. The lightweight frame and low center of gravity make it incredibly easy to maneuver, whether you're navigating tight corners or cruising down the open road. The bike's suspension is tuned to provide a smooth ride over different terrains, while the comfortable seat and upright riding position make long rides feel effortless. Design and styling. The design of the Kawasaki Vulcan S is sleek and modern, blending traditional cruiser elements with a more contemporary look. The bike features clean lines, minimalist bodywork, and a muscular stance that gives it an aggressive yet refined aesthetic. The exposed engine adds to the bike's bold appearance, while the LED lighting and modern dashboard enhance its overall appeal. Technology and features. The Kawasaki Vulcan S is equipped with modern technology, including a digital instrument cluster that provides all the essential riding information, such as speed, fuel level, and trip data. It also comes with a smooth 6-speed gearbox for efficient shifting, ensuring you're always in the right gear for any riding situation. The fuel-efficient engine and low maintenance needs also make it a practical choice for daily use. Conclusion. The Kawasaki Vulcan S is a versatile and stylish cruiser that offers something for every rider. Its customizable ergonomics, solid performance, and modern design make it a standout in the cruiser category. Whether you're just starting your riding journey or you're a seasoned motorcyclist looking for a comfortable and reliable cruiser, the Vulcan S delivers an X.